My name is Andrei Costin, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Binare.io, a cybersecurity spin-off and a startup from Central Finland, from University of Jyväskylä. We have been very happy and lucky to have had this opportunity to run the Open Call 1 EUH4D Data IOT-SESOD project. Binare's IOT-SESOD project, basically it is deciphered as IoT security software data, where we try to lay a foundation for secure and trustworthy digital Europe and EU cybersecurity. IOT-SESOD aimed to run a closed-loop system experiment, producing cybersecurity data sets, namely generating complete and accurate IoT firmware SBOMs, and they're always up-to-date vulnerabilities and CVE mappings. There's a lot of information packed in this sentence, and I'll try to explain. What Binare does, it develops an automated cybersecurity platform that analyzes software and firmware, general software and general firmware, but with particular focus on IoT and industrial IoT firmware, where we take those firmwares and we automatically analyze and try to find vulnerabilities with the goal of notifying the users or the vendors of those software and firmwares that, hey, there's a vulnerability in this package. Maybe you want to take some action to remediate this vulnerability so that the system and the device is secure in the next iteration. Data set and the data experiment was a huge success from our opinion, because it enabled us to create the data set, and with that data set we've been able to also explore other opportunities, other European projects or other collaboration opportunities where the data set can be used for AI machine learning, or to be used in more specialized high performance computing environments, for example, but we've been talking with EGI. But we would like also to thank our three mentors and partners, or DIH partners, that supported us. The Know Center, Barbara and Angelica and Christoph, they supported us very well from the business side, mapping our business strategy, how we could use the data and how we could use the platform in combination with the data, and what could be the next steps. So we appreciate that so much. Very importantly, we appreciate the EGI, and thanks to Elisa, Andrea, and Levente. I think this EGI support was the infrastructure, and the human communication for setting up the infrastructure was crucial, so that our platform could run smooth, and we could scale it quite easily to handle such a big number of vulnerabilities and files and so on. And the storage and everything was fine, and I think without that support of HPC, maybe it was not so great success, so to speak. And also we would like to thank Siadar, Ricardo and Andres and Aditya and Vivek for their good insights of how we could apply machine learning and artificial intelligence after the project is completed, which we actually are going in the next step. So I think next couple of weeks, I would say we should have some more visibility into a continuation of building some machine learning and AI model on top of this data set that we generate as part of another project. Once the details are finalized, we will make them public on our pages, and everything looks positive. So I think it's a great success, because again, besides the results that we've achieved and all the KPIs being achieved beyond the initial targets, it also enabled us to diversify and see the continuation of this data set. So the data set is being carried forward in another projects of collaborations. Last but not least, the ETI, thanks Daniel and Guillermo and Vanessa and Sandra for providing all the logistic support for running smoothly the project as part of EU Hub for data in general. Thanks to European Union and to EU Hub consortium and project.
Find out more at our website,